Hi, I'm Gary Barnes with Gary Barnes International. And today I'd like to talk a little bit about business strategies for a down market. You know, we have a tendency to think about different markets as being bad or good. And I ask my audiences around the country and actually internationally, is this a good market or is it a bad market? And I'll get a split room. And what I have found is that every market is unique. It's different. It's not either good or bad. So if this is a normal market because we have different challenges in it, then we can relate to it as just that ordinary, and we don't have to see it as something to survive. But I'd like to give you 3 tips on what it really could enhance your businesses in going through any market. And the first thing is to be clear about who your perfect client is. What do they look like? When I ask this of my audiences, they usually miss the most obvious. Can that individual engage with you with real dollars? There are many times that people want your product or service, but they're not able to because they just don't have the financial resources. And so that can stop the process in its tracks and frustrate not only you, but the person you're talking with. So what are the elements of a perfect client for you? What is their personality? What type of industry do you enjoy working with? Really be clear about what that person looks like. The second tip is to elevate and separate yourself from your competition. Over the years, I've been asked who my competition is, and my answer always is no one. Now, that's not an egotistical response, but I only compete with myself, and when I do, I always win. Because my personality, if I have to win or you have to lose for me to win or vice versa, what will happen is I'll shut down and I'll allow you to win. So if I always compete with myself, I always come out on top. And I don't have to be better than, because we're not in a political arena where we have to mudsling. But what I mean by elevate and separate is to look at unique features about what I have to offer, how do I offer it, and how does that benefit the end user in a unique way. And when I do that, I come to tip number 3. And that is, how does my perfect client see me as their perfect solution? That's really more important. I call it the sizzle and steak. We want to show the sizzle. You have ever been in a restaurant, maybe a Mexican restaurant where they have fajitas, and they parade those plates of fajitas all over the restaurant. The sizzle and the smell is permeating, and everybody's going, oh, I wish I had that. That's what I want. And so what happens is that next time we're going to order the fajitas. That's the sizzle. And people in today's market really buy the sizzle. Now, the key here is to provide them the steak, to provide them the quality, the sustenance, that element that we give them in a product or service that's truly going to benefit them. So those 3 tips, I think, will extremely benefit you. They have helped me in my business for years. And again, this is Gary Barnes International.